Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the phone and the QR code. First, unlock your Vivo Y20 and make sure battery is sufficient. Low power can interrupt setup. Next, open Settings and tap Wi-Fi so you're ready to accept a network. If your camera app supports QR scanning, open it now. Otherwise, use Settings built-in Wi-Fi QR option. This gets you to the exact place where the phone can read the QR payload and offer to join the network. Once the camera or Wi-Fi scanner recognizes the QR, you'll see a notification or prompt. Tap it immediately to proceed. Make sure the SSID shown matches the network you intend to join, and check the security type, WPA2 versus open, because that affects the password handling. If the QR encodes a password, the phone will autofill it. If not, you'll need to enter it manually. This verification prevents accidentally. Tap Connect and allow the Vivo Y20 a few seconds to obtain an IP address. Once connected, check signal strength and internet access. If it fails, rescan the QR to ensure no read error or manually type SSID and password exactly, because capitalization matters. If problems persist, restart the phone, toggle Wi-Fi off and on, or use Forget Network, then re-add it. One key troubleshooting tip. If the QR includes hidden network or enterprise settings, ask the network admin for exact credentials and settings before retrying.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.